Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Stella, and for today's video I'm going to be doing my sister's nails, and she requested a very interesting kind of dramatic pattern, and so I decided to use some nail wraps I got from Amazon last year. So, oh, by the way, this is my first time using nail wraps and nail foils. I do not have prior experience with them, and so of course this is not a tutorial. I tried removing the wrap from the paper. I noticed that it folds easily and also it tears easily, so that's when I decided to use my tweezers to remove them from the paper. I placed the wrap onto her finger, and after finding the perfect kind of fit, I started pressing gently from the middle going all the way to the sides, making sure it sticks everywhere. After placing the wrap onto her nails, I cut off the excess, but for this one finger it just ripped off, and also that's just how I kind of knew that they are sensitive and fragile to use. But anyway, after I cut off the excess, I also pressed more. I also pressed the wrap deeper into the cuticles just to make sure it adheres properly, and so I repeat this whole procedure for the rest of the nails.
As I was trying to place the nail wrap correctly, it ripped. It actually just ripped. So yeah, that was a bummer because they are hard to peel off. And so if I used acetone, also the gel peels off. So that was annoying. But anyway, I solved it later.
So this is the outcome after filing and buffing the edges for a smooth feel. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe.